See, the thing is that Mumbai feels very potential, but is poorly managed at the civic level.
I feel like they need a better plan, they should take fast action on it. I don't feel like they are doing much on it.
Because like the Marathi people do have a lots of hope in them, and the young generation connect to them much more. As BMC election is just around the corner on 15th Jan, we have come to the National College of Bandra to speak to some students as they are very young voters. We want to know the youth mindset, the Gen Z mindset, whom they want to take control on the BMC, like whom they want to see winning this BMC elections, whether it is Mahayuti, Shiv Sena, UBT with MNS or Congress. And most importantly, how do they see Mumbai? What are their views about the current state of Mumbai? What are the changes they wants to be implemented? Hello, this is Khatija and you're watching Lokmat Times. Now, before we begin, let me brief you about the BMC, the political alliances, everything. So, firstly, see, Mumbai's BMC has been running without an elected mayor since 2022 under the administrator Bhushan Gagrani. Now, finally, the elections are happening, because of which the political fight looks very different, very interesting this time. Now, let me tell you about the alliances. So, surprisingly, Shiv Sena UBT has joined hands with MNS. That means Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray, they have formed an alliance. They will be contesting together the BMC election to take on the ruling Mahayuti, that is BJP and Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena. And then comes the Congress earlier with MVA. Subsequently, they announced that they will go solo for the BMC elections, and later they surprisingly teamed with VBA, that is Vanchit Bahujan Aghadi. So these were the major political alliances that are going for the BMC elections. Now we will go inside and talk to the students, whatever they have to say about the BMC, about Mumbai roads, which are already dug up, potholes everywhere, traffic congestions, and poor AQI due to BMC construction everywhere. We will talk to them, and most importantly, we will ask them which is the alliance they want to see winning the BMC elections. Let's begin. Now we will be asking questions to the students. Come inside. So these are our student who will be speaking about the BMC elections. So Sahil is here. Hi Sahil. So Sahil, I want to ask you that right now, see, the BMC elections is going on. The result will be on 16th Jan. That's very soon. So as a youth, as a Gen Z, what do you think about the current state of Mumbai? Do you see the roads? Do you see the roads are very bad? Do you face traffic congestions everywhere? And what do you say about the poor AQI?
See, the thing is that Mumbai feels very potential, but is poorly managed at the civic level. And there are certain issues, for example, you mentioned in your question, roads, AQI for that matter. See, construction activities around residential areas obviously causes health issues, and at the same time, it causes inconvenience too. So, my suggestion to BMC would be like, please enforce strict dust control measures and
Okay, so now let's talk about the alliances. The political alliances have formed this year, like as usual. So the Shiv Sena UBT has joined an alliance, has formed an alliance with the MNS. That means Raj Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray, they are coming together for the elections. And there is the BJP, like Mahayuti, Eknath Shinde with BJP. And then there is Congress. So as a youth, whom you feel more connected with?
see, I'm a proud Mumbaian and Maharashtrian. So the thing is, as far as shifts in a UBT and MNS alliance is considered, I think it is an effort to consolidate their regional identity and to strengthen the base in Mumbai.
Okay, one common question as a youth, as a Gen Z, with what is the civic priorities that matters you most?
For me, it is reliable infrastructure, clean air, and efficient public transport, and accountability in local governance.
What would you say about the Mumbai roads? Like you see the potholes everywhere, dug up roads, and the major issue is traffic congestions, the poor AQI. What would you say about?
I feel like to some extent people have already they are forced to yeah, they are more, they are used to it by the potholes, the traffic congestion happening around. But I feel like BMC should manage it properly.
Yeah. So don't you think, like you think that BMC should take more accountability to fix
Yeah,
it?
I do feel like it that they should make a better plan for it. They should not work for like a year or even they take months for constructions. They should take faster action on it.
The BMC is doing construction everywhere. Everywhere you see dug up road, potholes, everything.
I see besides my house also there's a lot of construction going on, so it gets irritating. And because of the more of dust,
Yeah. So
There
do you
are-
feel the problems because of the dust?
Yeah, I myself feel I have dust allergy. My dad has the same. We have the same genes basically. So it's not right. Plus, it also triggers mosquitoes around the city, which may cause
Yeah.
malaria, and it's like a lot of health issues may also get triggered. I feel.
So do you see in your any of your residential area at BMC doing proper work like the garbage cleaning or everything?
Yeah, garbages and everything do get clean, but they also get overflowed. So like the garbage around my area also, they do get overflowed, but they are obviously also getting cleaned up every other day. But as a basic thing, like population, so more the population, more the garbage.
So whom would you see winning this BMC election, whether it is Mahayuti, that is BJP, or Shiv Sena UBT with MNS, or Congress? So, as a young voter, I feel like my vote will be given to a government which look upon the issues we are facing right now rather than the big promises they do. I feel like a government which make all those promises and also make them happen in real life. It's something like I would like to see. For now, I'll say I am very, very interested in Uddhavji Thackeray and Manse's alliance, to be honest. Because, like, the Marathi people do have a lots of hope in them, and the young generation connect to them much more. So, as you can see, we have spoken to many students. They have raised questions on serious issues like the civic issues, bad roads, potholes, traffic congestions, and everything. Some of them has clearly taken the name of Shiv Sena UBT or Congress. They want to see them winning the BMC elections, but none of them has taken the name of Mahayuti, that is BJP. Now, you guys let us know in the comments below whom do you want to see winning the BMC elections. And thanks for watching Lokmat Times.